Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about dreams and ambitions. Listen and practice. Everyone has dreams and ambitions in life. Dreams give us hope and ambitions give us direction. Some people dream of becoming doctors or teachers. Others want to be artists, musicians, or writers. Ambitions are the goals we work hard to achieve. For example, a student may say, "I want to be a teacher." Another student might say, "I will study hard to become a doctor." Talking about dreams helps us share our hopes with others. It also motivates us to keep moving forward. Many children dream of having exciting jobs in the future. Some want to be pilots and fly airplanes. Others dream of being athletes and winning medals. Ambitions are not only about jobs. Some people dream of traveling the world. Others hope to learn new languages or play instruments. For example, I am going to learn Spanish next year. Or, one day I will play the guitar on stage. Ambitions often start with small steps. If you want to be a writer, you can begin by reading books. If you want to be a singer, you can practice every day. Dreams may feel big, but small actions make them real. Sometimes people face challenges, but ambitions teach us to be patient and strong. We can say, "I will not give up," or "I will try again." Encouragement from family and friends also helps. They support us when we feel tired or worried. Dreams also change as we grow older. A child may dream of being an astronaut. Later, he may decide to be an engineer instead. It is normal for ambitions to change with time. Talking about dreams can be fun and inspiring. We can imagine ourselves in the future. For example, in 10 years, I will have my own business. Or, I will travel to many countries and meet new people. Ambitions give life meaning and purpose. They guide us and make us work hard. In the end, dreams and ambitions are part of who we are. They make us stronger, happier, and ready for the future. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all new updates. Thank you, dear viewer.